If you're also searching for a budget-friendly smartphone with DSLR quality camera that can even outperform an iPhone, then you must check out this amazing smartphone from Nokia. According to leaks, Nokia's incredible smartphone is set to feature a 400-megapixel DSLR quality camera and the most powerful mobile processor, the Snapdragon 8 Elite. Yes, you heard it right. We're talking about the Nokia Play 2 Max 5G smartphone. If you're excited to get your hands on this beast of a phone, make sure to watch this video till the end. Because in today's video, we'll cover all the full features, price, and launch date of this phone. So let's dive in. Features of Nokia Play 2 Max 5G. Display. When it comes to the display, this stunning smartphone packs a 6.85-inch Full HD Plus OLED display, with HDR10 Plus support, and an 144Hz refresh rate. On top of that, it also comes with Corning Gorilla Armor protection, an in-display fingerprint sensor, and an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance. Camera setup. This powerhouse smartphone boasts a triple camera setup, featuring a primary 400-megapixel sensor with OIS support, along with two additional cameras, 100-megapixel and 50-megapixel. For selfie lovers, it comes with a massive 100-megapixel front camera to capture ultra-sharp selfies. Operating system and performance. Under the hood, this beast runs on the latest Android 16 OS, ensuring a smooth and future-proof experience. And for raw power, it's equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, the most powerful mobile processor in the market right now. Battery and charging. Fueling this monster is a huge 7500 mAh battery, supported by 120-watt super-fast charging, and a USB Type-C Gen 2 charging port, so you spend less time plugged in and more time using your phone. Price and launch date. Now, let's talk about the price. This smartphone is expected to start at around $899. And as for the launch date, Nokia's this flagship killer is set to hit the global market very soon.